For this lecture, I will show you the basics of SSIS. And SSIS stands for SQL Server Integration Services. And it's used for importing, transforming and exporting data. So you'll have a source and you can do something with this source data, like convert it or change some of the column names. Then from the source you can export it into a different format. It could be into another database or into a flat file. So SSIS is a tool that can import from a source, do something with this input, and then produce an output, and it may be producing a flat file or inserting something into a table or doing something else with the output data. So in this example I will show you a basic way of how SSIS works. So what I'm going to do is export data from SQL Server into a flat file. So the first thing I'm going to do is connect to SQL Server. So I will drag this onto this canvas, and it's in the data flow canvas. There's two different types of canvases. One is control flow and one is data flow. And I will go through the difference between a control flow and data flow in my SQL Server Bootcamp course. So I've put a source on my data flow and I will open it, and I will pick a table that I want to export. Then I will find a destination where I want this file to go to. So I'll pick a flat file and I'll link them two together. I will pick a connection manager. I'll map it out, press OK. Then what I'll do, I'll just execute this package. And this SSIS package has just exported 3 rows into a flat file. So in my SQL Server Bootcamp course, I will go through the process of setting something like this up, and I'll show you how to export data from flat files, how to put things in a loop, and how to error check to make sure that the SSIS package is working. So it's very useful if you want to learn how to use SSIS if you do the SQL Server Bootcamp course, because we'll go into more detail on how to use SSIS. But for this demo, you can see how quick and easy it is to export data from SQL Server into a flat file. It doesn't take that long, and it's a very good way of documenting a process visually.